I don't met a lot of men, but nobody move like you. Island so calm, whole room catch your groove. Sun-kissed skin glowing when the daylight fades away. You carry that real love in everything you say, and every little thing got me pulling closer in. From the way you hold your fan to the way you always grin. You don't gotta talk loud just to show the kind you are. Boy, your humble heart alone shines brighter than the stars. Maybe it's your walk, maybe how you talk, maybe it's the peace you bring around me. Maybe it's your touch, the way you love so much. Maybe it's your island energy. And I know I can never ever be with somebody who don't move like you with me. My island man, steady like the ocean tide. My island man, keep me safe right by your side. Riding slow, the windows halfway down. Old school reggae playing while we cruise around town. Palm trees swaying soft underneath the golden sky. And every little moment with you feeling so alive. You the type to work hard, put your whole heart in. Still make time for your woman and your family and friends. The island kind of loving got me locked in for life. You the peace inside my soul, boy, you feel so right. You don't chase the hype, you just live your life. That's the reason everybody loves you. Strong but gentle too, always speak the truth. That's the island way inside you. And I know I could never ever leave a love that feels this natural to me. My island man, steady like the ocean tide. My island man, keep me safe right by your side. My island man, yeah. Even when you're gone, your love still carry on. You my summer song, yeah, yeah, yeah. My island man, calm like the evening breeze. My island man, put my restless heart at ease. My island man, yeah. Anywhere we go, your spirit always shows. You my island home, yeah, yeah, yeah. Underneath the moonlight glow, dancing slow where the trade winds blow. No diamonds or designer,